we all know when we talk about Fiji, many people will say, "Oh, we know it is very popular in China. It is a paradise on earth. It's beautiful." And then more and more people know about Fiji water, cosmetics, wood, and also now there is a juice very popular in China, which is the lolly juice. And last year, the Chinese company has invested, if I'm right, 1 billion yuan to expand the production of the lolly juice. And now it has a very magic reputation in China, and also some sea, marine resources we have imported, like tunas, like others, and also we have imported. I don't know whether there is a cover or not. We would like to import more. We are ready to import more, and every year, in China International Import Expo in Shanghai, there is always paddling for Fiji. And every year, I'm glad to see that the Deputy Prime Minister Kamika will have a delegation to promote Fiji. But now, the bilateral trade volume is 500 million US dollars. Frankly speaking, I'm not satisfied. I'm not satisfied with that. We hope to import more. For example, you have a large land here. We would like to import agricultural products. Rice, for example. I think if we plant more rice, it must be high quality. And we would like to import tropical fruits. If you have more durian, we are ready to import. I'm looking for durian everywhere, but I can hardly find. Why don't you plant durian here, mango here? According to some statistics, 70% or 80% of durian in Southeast Asia have been exported to China. When I was in Beijing, after the visit of Honorable Prime Minister, I went to the fruit shop and bought a durian with 210 yuan. That is 25 Fiji dollars. 25 Fiji for durian. I enjoyed it very much. So we hope to import more from Fiji. The problem is that our Fiji friends have to produce more. That's why we are encouraging Chinese enterprises to invest in Fiji, to help our Fiji friends to produce more and then export to China. Thank you.